Hello everyone, I am Joseph Henson, president of Outthink Group, a firm that helps authors market their books, and today we are going to be talking about Amazon affiliate links and how to use them effectively. The Amazon affiliate program is designed so that just regular users of Amazon can create an account, start sharing things, start getting people to click on Amazon products, and they get a kickback for if anyone purchases a product with that link. So what it's useful though for book marketing is to know who clicked what link. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do today is, I'm not going to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account. You'll have to do that yourself. It's very simple. Just Google real quick and it doesn't take long to do. But what I'm going to show you how to do is how to set up your Amazon affiliate tagging, your Amazon affiliate tags. All right, so it's pretty simple, but let's get started. So here I have Amazon.com up, and I'm actually going to bring this a little bit smaller so that it's not so big. So I have Amazon.com up here, and you can see the site stripe will be on the top of every page once you have your Amazon affiliate account created. And you can click here and get a text link once you've set up your store and your tracking ID. Now, you can see that it's going to give me store ID and tracking ID. I have a bunch of tracking IDs in here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new tracking ID. To do that, it's very easy. All I need to do is click on this Amazon Associates site stripe here, but you could also go to affiliate-program.amazon.com home. So then I'm going to hover over my account name here, and I'm going to click on Manage Your Tracking IDs. Now note, this is not going to get you a lot of money at all, but it will help to be able to track some things. So what I'm going to do next is click Add Tracking ID. And so I'm going to add a tracking ID for a campaign that I'm working on, and this one is for the web, MW Web. All right, and I have that, and I'm going to click Create. So now I click Close. I'm going to make another one that is going to be MW-SOS, and that's for social. Okay, so now I have one for web, I have one for social, and then I'm going to create another one that's going to be MW email, and that's going to be for the for links people click from the email, and then they land on the page, and maybe there's a promotion that I have. One thing to note is that you have to disclose that you're using Amazon affiliate links, and you have to you're not allowed to send them directly via email. Okay, so you actually have to have them have a secondary link that they click. So you can say, hey, buy the book, it's really great, and then they click to the landing page of the book, and then you could have that email link there. But for the purposes of tracking, what we're trying to do is see how many people find it naturally on the web, and how many people will share that link. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the book. Let's say The Power of Regret, which is Dan Pink's book. If I wanted to do a link with this, I would click text, and then I would change my tracking ID to use the one that I want to use. And so what I want to do is choose the one I just created. It's going to be for web, and click Get Link, and it will create this shortened link. You could also choose full link if you want to see what the link, what it includes. There are a bunch of this really long link has a bunch of stuff that's telling Amazon, they searched, and on the second page they click to the third item and all this stuff. So it's really just tracking information for Amazon. So the short link is totally fine. And so what I often like to do is I will copy that link, okay, and I will put it in a document or some central place, so that whenever I link on the web, I use that specific link. And everyone who's working on the campaign can use that specific link if it pertains to something on the web, so that we know how our web efforts are doing versus how our social efforts are doing versus how our email efforts are doing, etc. It is a very helpful way to track. Now, it doesn't track, it only tracks Amazon. The reason I use this for Amazon is because it also tracks sales. So I can actually tell how many clicks to how many sales. It's always important, if you can gather data, to know what's working, what's not. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with somebody that needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at outthink.co for even more behind the scenes tips. Have a great day. Keep being awesome.